Hey, it's Bees Electronics. Ever wish you could capture every angle of your adventures and choose your shot later? That's what the Insta360 X4 brings to the table. A sleek 360 degrees camera that gives you full control beyond one frame. So here's the magic. You shoot once, reframe later. Want insane slow-mo, epic underwater scenes, or cinematic third-person views? This camera does it all. 8K 360 degrees, invisible selfie stick, 4K slow-mo, and it fits in your pocket. The Insta360 X4 takes everything creators loved about the X3 and supercharges it. You're looking at up to 8K 30 frames per second, 360 degrees video, or 5.7K at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second. That means you can record once and reframe your shots with absolute clarity. And for slow motion fans, you've got 4K at 100 frames per second in single lens mode, perfect for capturing action like never before. One of my favorite features, the invisible selfie stick. It completely disappears in your footage, giving you third-person, drone-style shots without needing a drone or extra gear. It's like having your own film crew with zero hassle. The stabilization is rock solid thanks to FlowState technology plus horizon lock. Whether you're biking, surfing, skiing, or just walking through a city, your footage stays smooth and level. Add in active HDR and crisp 72MP photos, and you've got a creative powerhouse in your pocket. Even in tough lighting, your highlights pop, your shadows stay detailed, and you get the kind of dynamic range that makes your shots look cinematic without needing post-production magic. Now, let's talk real-world feedback. Wired called this the best 360 cam you can buy in 2025, praising its extended battery life, heat management, and game-changing image quality. Time magazine said it gives creators multiple angles without a full crew, thanks to smart AI features and invisible gear tricks. Cycling Weekly even named it their Gear of the Year because it changed how often they used an action cam. And if you shoot outdoors, near water, or in action-heavy environments, TechRadar recommends it as one of the best waterproof and rugged cameras around. But it's not perfect. Like most action cams, low-light footage can still feel a bit soft. And while the build is rugged, some users recommend using lens guards to avoid scratches. It's also a bit heavier than the X3, so if you're mounting it to a helmet, you might notice it a bit more. Still, for travel vloggers, content creators, and action seekers, this camera is an absolute beast. You film everything and worry about your shot later. The result? Higher quality content, more flexibility in editing, and angles that literally aren't possible on other cameras. Whether you're hiking across Iceland, diving in Thailand, or just making your local skate park look like a pro film shoot, the X4 elevates your game. So there you have it. The Insta360 X4 is like having a production crew in your pocket. Want impossible angles, ultra-smooth slow-mo, and effortless reframing. This is your tool. Ready to revolutionize your content? Grab the Insta360 X4 now through my affiliate link. Unlock cinematic 8K 360 degrees footage and all the extras. US link https://amzn.to/3 USD fee. Canada link https://amzn.to/450 MUR. See you on the next adventure.